Napakaganda. Hello guys. Ito na yung aming kotse, yung aming bagong baby. Ayan na siya, oh. Kukuhanin na namin siya, naka-ribbon pa. Naka-ribbon pa siya. Pero yan ay nasa aking pangalan. Yan. Ganda siya. Diba? Titingnan natin mamaya siya sa loob. Pero papakita ko muna ang kabuuan yan dito. Ito yung likod. Yan. Diba? Look. Ibang-iba, oh. Malapit na sa bubungan to, ano? Itong bukasan ng, oh. Yan. Instead na, dito yung bukasan. Dito naman siya. Malapit na sa bubong. Oh, malapit na sa bubong.
Because sometimes I think in the car beforehand they usually turn this one off. Oh, yeah. So the battery doesn't go. That's one.
Alright, what else you have here?
Air condition.
Yeah.
Once we turn on the, it's actually going to press the foot on the brake.
This one?
Yep, and press the button on the side to turn on the car.
This one?
The one, remember the push button?
Oh, this one.
Yeah. The car is on.
Okay.
This one is also obviously push button start. So once this
Testing
goes,
lang niya yung ano, on the
so this
sound.
button is here for the auto stop.
Oh, yeah.
We turn it on when we go outside.
That
So,
one you go outside.
yeah, just so I can turn it on and stuff. Yeah.
Buksan natin. Ayan ang loob niya. Oh, maganda, di ba? May pagka-leather siya. Kung nagustuhan mo ang aking video, please comment, share, and like. Ayan. Thank you and God bless you. Bye!